Okay, so here we are. We're going to take you through this day and show you what we're doing. So there's our signpost. Originally, our plan was we were going to order the original sign we had back in our Massachusetts RE/MAX office where we had on a major highway. This is a major highway here. This is the highway that takes you from Cullman, the city of Cullman, to the city of Jasper, which is the only real highway to get from one to the other, and it drives right past Lewis Smith Lake, which is a 21,000-acre lake here that is one of the cleanest lakes in the country. So the machine we're going to choose to use today is going to be a lift. Okay, when your sign gets here, you get an accessory box screwed to the back, which will have your cables, your outdoor cables, and you need to connect the sign to each other. And then on the top, you're going to have 4 big bolts, okay, in the frame holding the sign together. You'll take these bolts out carefully, and you put these bolts in so you can lift the sign. You're going to do one sign at a time, not together. We're going to do them together because, well, I'm the sign guys been doing this for a long time. So we're actually going to build it all onto one frame and put the whole thing up at once, up in the air. So that's the support that holds the sign up. So we're going to bolt this back to back. Give a real fast look at who is RE/MAX Patriot Realty and why would we want a big digital sign. So we are a full-service real estate company. We have quite a nice office. Agents that work here. We have a beautiful conference room, and we're right next to a lake called Lewis Smith Lake. It's about 21,000 acres. It covers 3 counties. Right now there's about 5,500 homes on the lake. And so this is our office, and then we own our own printing and graphics company, which is very helpful because lots of goodies and giveaways. Because we make custom signs for people, so everything we do is custom. So this digital sign is a natural addition to our family so that we can carry on the custom. We have our own plan printers and all special printers for all different medias. So we do everything custom in this company. We outsource nothing. We even have our own site development team with our own equipment, excavators, bulldozers, the whole works. So this sign is just going to help the world understand more about what we're doing here, and we can present homes, subdivisions, new builds, everything to the public as they drive past. We have about 12,000 cars a day go past our highway here, so it's a great location. There we are, so we've bolted the plate. In this particular case, it's a double-sided install. So they made a plate for the bottom. We made a plate for the top. It's going to sit up there. And then there's the center. The wires are already down there, hanging off the other side. So we're making sure we're taking a slave and a master. So in this case, we want the master to be facing the office. So we have the master facing the office. Now we're going to put it up in the air. Okay, so the welding crew is going up now to tack it in place. Okay, so we're in the final stages. At this point, it's basically just wiring up the sign for electricity and running the data cable out. They're all ready to go at the base. So today we'll just get it welded up and get it ready to go, and then tomorrow we'll get the electricity and the data hooked up and be up and running for the weekend. Well, after only a few minutes working with the software, which was very easy to use, so much better than the older version of the software that I had to have on a PC. Now I can do it from anywhere in the world, which is so cool. This is just the basics. I got lots more planned for spinning and virtual tours, but I'm super happy with this.